Alright guys, welcome back to episode 9 of my Java tutorial, and in this one I'm going to talk a little bit about methods, particularly class methods, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about static methods. So we've already made a few methods here, these getters and setters. These are actually methods inside this class, but you know, I kind of want to make another method just to show you that methods could be more than just get and set. So let's use a little bit of logic. So say Adam and Eve we want to create a system where we want to check if people are senior citizens, and we can create a method for that. So let's say public boolean is senior, and it's not going to take anything in because it's going to use values from inside this class. And we're going to say if this dot age is greater than, I don't know, what's a good senior age, maybe like 65, then return. Actually, it's bad practice to use return here. You can use return true here. Generally, I find that it's better to return the variable at the end of the method. What do I mean by that? So I've got to create a variable beforehand. I've got to say boolean return, or let's call it something else. Let's call it boolean bool, and let's set it to false by default, because you know, if you're not going to pass this test, then you won't get true, so you won't, you know, we're just going to be returning that anyway, returning false. And then if you pass this, then bool true. If you meet the criteria of being over 65, then you're a senior. And then let's go back over here and get rid of this, and we can say if human1 dot is senior, then we want to let them into the seniors club. System.out.println welcome to the club. Alright, now let's give that a check. Oh, Adam's only 30. He's not allowed in the club. Alright, what if we age Adam a bit? Human1.set age. Let's make him 9,000 years old. See what happens now. Welcome to the club. See, Adam is old enough to join the seniors club now. And if we check for Eve, human2, she's only 29. Adam is welcome to the club. So it printed once, but it's not going to print twice because Eve is not old enough. Right. So that is just a normal method inside a class. And so what's all this about static methods then? Well, to make a static method, first of all, we need to write the word static after the word public, but before the type that we're returning. And over here it's going to complain because it's like, whoa, it's static. I can't use this.age. So what is static? Static means this method here, you can't use it with an object, human1. You can only use it with a class, human. So every human is going to have the same is senior method available to them. So this.age thing, if it's the same thing for everyone, not everyone is going to have this.age. Does that make any sense? Basically, like, this.age doesn't really mean anything when it's static, because this.age changes depending on the person, whereas this has to work for everyone. So let's say, well, let's do an age, and let's say we have to have an int age passed through this method. So, and let's add an age here. So if any particular human is a senior, let's check if they're a senior. Let's say if this 1,000-year-old is a senior, they'll be welcome to the club. If this particular person is only 1 year old, They will not be welcomed to the club because they are not a senior.